friends, today I want to show you guys something. So I was at a store at Burlington Coat and I've got shoes, so small unboxing. So let's show you. So I've got these cute ammo boots. Ta-da! Here it is. Here's how they look. So they are really nice. This is how they look. They are very nice in this grey color. Inside they have nice fluffy fur. Like so. See how it looks? And they say it's water resistant. And what else? Sheepskin. I'm also sheepskin lined insole with comfort inserts. Double stitch. So inserts are not removable. In the past they were. So this ammo looks really nice. See sparkles. Yeah, so I really like how they look. And I got them in size US size 9. And this is how they look. No, actually, yeah, woman size 9, but they have wrong sticker. Size 8. But they made some mistake. Let's try them on. They are easy to put on. I find them easy to put on. And they look so good. Let's move camera here. You see? Yeah, so it looks like this. Very cute. From top, it looks like this. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoy such a video. If you do, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one. Bye.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.